everyone. Now we have Miss Pooja Devgan with us. We'd like to start off by asking about your background, about your previous work experience and all before coming to IIM Amritsar.
Sure. Hi everyone. Like you said, okay, I'm Pooja Devgan. I carry about 10 plus years of work experience with banking and financial industry, working as an operations manager in the risk and recovery department. I have also been partnered with the compliance and auditing team with industrial brands like American Express and SBI Cards. So after about completing 10 years plus of experience in the industry, I realized that I want to inculcate more experience and educate myself. So that's when I applied in IIMS Amritsar, and here I am.
So how did you feel when you get the offer letter from IIM Amritsar?
Well, I totally felt out of the world, and like the moment we received that hard copy of the offer letter from the IIMS Amritsar, it was a sense of achievement which I felt when I received that letter. So yeah, it was a wonderful experience.
So what were the different factors you considered before joining an EMBA program at this stage of your career, ma'am?
Okay. Well, since I have been working in the corporate industry for quite a while, so I realized that if you want to move a ladder up, you have to have additional education qualification into your profile, and specifically coming from the institutions like the tier 1 institutes like IIMS Amritsar, of course. It really adds a value to your profile. So this was the primary decision which actually because of which I actually decided to go about it. And about IIM Amritsar, as soon as my native place is Amritsar, so I obviously knew about this institute for quite a while. And in the last, so it started in 2015, and I reviewed the entire journey of this institute and the collective programs that that has been introduced, the immersive educational programs which has been introduced in this institute are immensely to be proud of. Like every day you check out LinkedIn, Insider, everywhere you'll hear about IIMS Amritsar. It's growing like anything. Out of all the baby IIMS, this is the topmost in the last 5 years. It has grown like in a very versatile way. And secondly, of course, like any other student, I definitely figured and took into consideration the placements which they have provided to the regular MBA ones, because it tells you about the quality of education being provided, because that's get cultivated to where the people are getting placed. And of course, when we further researched, and I found out that we have a wonderful faculty who are all studied from IIMS and IITs. So obviously that was an added advantage, that as an EMBA institute or as an EMBA student, I'll get to study from people who are actually teaching regular MBA people. So the kind of arrangement and the you can say the exchange of education and the learnings would be similar to the regular MBA. So nothing like this. I mean, this was an unbeatable course. So I had to go about it.
Thank you for your words about IIM Amritsar, ma'am. So one final question. So with your vast experience, with the experience that you have, what one advice would you give to the regular MBA students of IIM Amritsar?
Okay. Well, I know a couple of them because it's been a while. We are just about to end our first term, so we have had an opportunity to meet a couple of them, and they are seriously impeccable. They are already at a level wherein they already know, because see, the institute is such, it cultivates those values and that wisdom in a student, that you understand where you have to you create a roadmap for yourself, and it really helps you to understand where you have to go ahead in your career. So I think having said that, still, talking from my experience, I would say that, learning is a continuous process. So one should not feel that, when or why or from where. As and when you feel that, it is you have that time and you have that money in your in your pocket, so you should go for it. That's what I would say. And for the regular MBAs, I would say that, they are actually at a very right place, and they're going to have a wonderful career. because they have chosen the right institute at the right time, and they are going to flourish really well. Thank you.
Thank you for this words, ma'am. It really means a lot to us. So, thank you. Thanks a lot.